Hit it. Nice. Zip line to trampoline. Yeah, what up, YouTube? What up? Joel Leoli coming at you. For custom grow 420. This 18 of a channel design for cannabis patients and adults. All right, man. In this one, backyard orchard update. This video, I'm going to show you what I've been working on in the yard, give you an update on the orchard. If at any point in time you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's go, baby. First things first, move the fire pit. It was up here for the last few years in this area. Moved it down to the bottom part now that the chicken coop's gone. So that's the first major big thing. Got rid of the old pool and the old gazebo. Been raking it out, picking up all the sticks and cleaning it up. Super excited to have my yard back. Reclaiming it. Painted a house last year all by myself. Let's go. Took out this corner tree. We're burning it up right now, as you can see. It's a hardwood. Took it out from right there. Left half of it. We'll see if that's gonna give us some privacy. But if not, we might plant mulberries. But took this out because I think I opened up enough space to have another row down here. Boom, 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 boom of trees. So I'm gonna bring the row down. Another row of trees here, maybe dwarfs to stay small. But let's take a look at these trees here. This is either the Toka or the Superior. We have a Toka and a Superior plum. Can't remember which one's which. This is the one that got annihilated from the chicken coop fire. Then there was a couple, like this branch was alive on the bottom. So I chopped it in the middle and let it try to stay alive. Let's go. And it came back with a vengeance, like super vigorous. Super excited. It's got really good structure. Lots and lots of beautiful little teeny buds. Getting ready to pop open. I would say, I don't know. I've never seen this thing flower like this. So couple weeks maybe. Let's go. Reliance Peach. Geez, this baby is in slow motion. It is waking up, but it is slow. This is the peach tree that's given us the most peaches. We'll see how it does this year. It's looking good. I love the structure on that. Peaches did good. This was a Dr. Seuss tree. At the beginning, it looked very bad, huh, Violet?
Yeah, no, I want to say the name for the other one.
What other? What other one?
Slenderman.
Oh.
Slenderman.
She named this one.
Slenderman.
Why is he named Slenderman?
Because it's so skinny.
And the branches, they just go straight up.
Yeah.
So she named this one Slenderman, and this was our Dr. Seuss tree, but we pruned it, and then now, after a few years, like this thing has good structure. It doesn't have a bunch of low branches, but it's got good structure. It's a pretty tree. Buds are waking up. Let's go. Super unhappy with apples in my area. I don't know if it's the way I planted them or what, but Ruby ate one. This Cortland is dead. She dead. So she's gonna come out. The Honeycrisp got eaten from here. This Snow Sweet is doing good. Bam. Doing good. Been pruned. It's got nice results after the pruning. Prune there. We topped it, baby. We topped it. It's looking good. This is Jace's Kinder Crisp. This one's doing good too.
Oh yeah, baby.
This one's been pruned. You see the results from the pruning there. Keeping them short over here on the side edge. This one, sad. I mean, there is some new growth on here, but I'm pretty sure that it just dies up towards the end. I mean, that looks like it might be a little alive, but I don't think this tree is going to wake up. I think she's done. So that's 3 apple trees I've lost. I don't think I want to keep putting more apples in. Montmorency cherry. Don't girdle my branch. Looking good. Getting ready to wake up. Excited about the cherries. Cherries are my favorite, like to eat. my favorite tree that I've been watching grow is the Necta plum. We'll get there in a second. So this is another Dr. Seuss looking tree. We got this one in the fall last year. There wasn't very much to it, but there wasn't much trees left, so I bought it, came home, chopped off the central leader, and just take a mental note of this picture, or take a mental note. Almost fell over my septic. We'll come back. This thing will look good in a year or two. We will get branches to pop out. We will get that structure to change. We will make it look good. My berry patch is pretty sad. Blueberries down here. I think this one may be alive. It looks really sad. This thing may be alive. I don't know, man. The ground just ain't it. The dogs come by and fucking piss over here. I think they want acidic soil. I think that one's dead. I think this one may be alive here. This one is showing some signs of life. So I don't know. This one looks absolutely dead. But I'm just gonna give it a little bit more time. We'll see. Never know with these type of plants. Well, at least I don't. Cause I'm learning. Hey! No. No. Be nice. Nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Raspberries. If you guys have been following along, this is one that we took from mom-in-law's house. I got it. I made her a garden years ago on Mother's Day, and then she moved out of that house. And when she moved out, I was like, I'm going back and taking that shit. And I went back and dug this up and brought it back over here. And now it's growing, and I'm pretty sure, like, I didn't plant nothing out of there, and I'm pretty sure I didn't plant nothing out of there. So I think it's spreading. I mean, I know it's spreading because I didn't plant nothing here, and I think this is a new raspberry plant, and I think these are 2 new raspberry plants. So I'm super excited if this is actually spreading, because maybe we'll just let the raspberries take over the blueberries. This is another raspberry plant. This one is huge, and it's waking up too. It's just a little bit more behind, but you can see the little leaves on this one. So I'm super excited about these raspberry plants. They're big. And then there was some more here. I think they're gone, and I think that one's dead. This blackberry is up here. I'm pretty sure this bad boy is dead. I'm just gonna give it some more time before I chop it and take it out. This one's dead. Nope, this one's alive. This one's alive. As long as it's alive, we'll let it go. But if it's dead, we'll take it out and try something different. This one, big one, I don't know. I don't think it's doing good. I don't see anything waking up on this bad boy. This one is not one of my thorn lists because you can see the little thorn right there. Black raspberry. Oh, that's right. This is not a blackberry. Planted up here in the blackberries, but this is a black raspberry. Yeah, my blackberries. No, this one is waking up. This blackberry tree is waking up. I can see that on that stem. And this one, nope, this one is waking up too. That's new growth on that stem. So let me go look back at this one, then we'll see. Is there any new growth on them nodes? No, nothing on this one. No new growth on these nodes. It's all dead all the way back. But we'll see. Maybe something will come out. We'll give it a little more time. Blackberries, blueberries, raspberries. Let's go, baby. This is the Hasui Asian pear. Look at these buds. Look how beautiful these are. Just beautiful. Got some branches going back in on itself right now. We will prune it and clean it up later, but since it's so small, I don't want to do too much to it. Quiet, pups. It's like I should take out this one that's going straight up into the middle of this tree. I shouldn't let that one go. This is the luscious pear. God, these kids, man. Joys of parenthood. Luscious pear. Luscious pear, doing good. Beautiful buds, lots of new growth, great structure. Gonna get some mulch under these bad boys soon. Don't trip. Let's go take a look. This is either the Toka or the Superior Plum. Beautiful little buds. Go shut the dog up if he keeps barking like that, Jace. Go tell him shut up. This is the dwarf Bartlett pear. Staying small. We got a pear or two off of this baby last year, hoping for some more. We'll see. I don't see no pollinators out here yet. No bees yet. It's still early, so I don't really want these plants to wake up just yet. Here's our Tawara Asian pear. Excited to see these flowers. We've gotten some of these fruits off this thing, and they're just delicious. Lots of buds on here. Lots and lots and lots of buds. We'll go this way with the lighting. Beautiful. And this, the Necta plum. This thing is a beast. It's a beast, dog. It's crazy. I drove this thing home in the back of my Durango with 2 other trees when I did it. And now this thing, this one tree, like if I tried to put it on my Durango, it would stretch way over the fucking thing. So super happy with this. This is my favorite tree. Haven't got any fruit on it. It's supposedly self-fertile, self-fruiting. Yep, it was just a baby when I brought it home, like that big. And now it's that big. Sick. So hopefully we get some fruit this year. Keep you posted if we do. The Bella Georgia peach. This tree was expensive. Bought it from a nursery. And it is doing absolutely amazing. Been pruned. You can see chop. I need to prune again. We'll do it after this season. See what we get off this bad boy. 3rd year in the ground for these trees. 1st year they sleep. 2nd year they creep. 3rd year they leap. Let's go, baby. Whoa. And the Red Haven peach. This one, absolutely most beautiful fruit. The 1st year when we got this, or 2 years ago, when we busted it open, we opened the fruit. It was just this beautiful, beautiful yellow and red color on the inside. Beautiful from the seed. It was just so pretty. I posted pictures to my Facebook. So super excited. Stand next to that tree, bad boy. Stand next to it. Oh yeah. And what else? What's this, Jace? What is this whole row of trees right there?
Peaches?
No, the whole behind you.
Mulberries.
Huh?
Mulberries.
Today, Junior, you can't even read. Mulberries. This is all mulberries. We made blackberry and mulberry jam a couple years ago.
Good.
But it's unreal. Like, I got lucky. I didn't know that these were all mulberry trees, and I would say they're probably fucking 15 years old or something, 20 years old maybe. I don't know. They're fully established, and they give us more mulberries than we could ever deal with. I'm going to show you how to harvest them the easy way this year. But Jace comes out here, usually what? That ladder sits out here during picking season, huh? Because Jace just comes out here and
Come out here to snack.
yep, fills his little belly up, stains his little fingers up, huh?
Oh yeah. I came with my hands all purple. Purple and red.
Let's go. The mulberries are fire. So yeah, these are all mulberries, and we might try some propagation. I might try some air layering. I tried some grafting. The grass didn't take, but I might try some air layering because I want some more trees and I don't want to pay for them. So we'll figure it out. I want to add more trees to it. So what we have right now is like 19 alive. I'm counting that one is dead. The goal, I don't know, 50 trees by the end is what I think I want, all the way up, spread around my property. So that when people are like walking up the road and they want a peach, they could just grab one right from the sidewalk. So we're gonna fill up the backyard first, move up the front. There is one Bing cherry tree up at front you didn't see. Should we go see it? Show it real quick? Yeah, might as well. Let's go. Maybe 50 trees on the orchard. We live on 0.79 acres. Garden bed here, it's gonna get cleaned out. Bam, if you followed the shorts, you know we got 50 strawberry plants in here. The Bing cherry tree, come stand next to it. Pick that garbage can up. Jesus. The Bing cherry tree. Ooh. Central leader took out. This one's up by the front of the house. It's looking good. She's starting to wake up too. But yeah, I want to bring the orchard up. Bring it up through the front. Bring it around. I think I want to put a couple of Nanking cherry bushes up front here. Let's go take one quick look at the rhubarb though.
Oh yeah.
On the tube. Yep. Jay's gonna do a salsa garden out here.
Oh yeah.
The kids weeded a little bit of these. You see how good they do? They don't do very good because they're kids. Violet weeded for 10 seconds, said that's enough, and walked away. We just raked around this because our neighbor June hooked us up with this a couple years ago. She was letting Jace eat some of her rhubarb out of her garden.
Rhubarb, this thing's gonna grow huge. This thing will be all the way out to where we raked when it's bigger.
Yep.
All the way out to here.
It's gonna get big. Super
Delicious.
excited.
The best fruit. It's like one of the best. Love it.
Let's go, baby. Backyard orchard update, year 3.
Let's go, baby.
Boom! You guys already know what's up, man. If you didn't get your field with some Custom Grow 420, go check out some of the other videos on this channel. Check out those playlists. If you enjoy this video, give it the thumbs up. If you really enjoy it, share so somebody else can see. Questions or comments, I want you to throw them down. But other than that, I'm Jolie Oli, coming to you for Custom Grow 420. As always, good growing. Let's go, baby.